So now I want to think about the shapes of my tree leaves. So what I'm going to do is draw one large shape around the tree. So let's say I start with the one in the front and I decide to use orange. So I'm going to draw what I consider to be sort of a natural shape. If I were looking at a tree and I took my finger and I traced a line around the whole thing with all the leaves, it would seem kind of round and freeform like that. Then I can go inside with the other two warm colors, so with the red. And the next one should be, I think I heard someone say yellow. Again, be careful about going over those black lines. You don't want your colors to mix for this one. Then I'm going to choose a different one of those warm colors. So I used orange at first. I think for this one I'm going to do red. So I'm going to draw the shape of all the leaves around it. But then I'm going to use the other two colors to fill it in. So scribbling inside there, then I got to switch to my yellow. So I used orange for my first tree's outline. I used red for my next one. So I think I'll use yellow for this last one. If it gets close, it's going to kind of disappear behind that shape a little bit. Oops, don't press as hard as I am. I'm a little too excited about this apparently. Fortunately, the crayon still works if I break it. So then I'm going to fill this in using those scribbles, those marks, but I'm really thinking about how I'm keeping those together inside the shape I drew. And then of course I'll go inside with the red. So now I have these warm colored sort of fall looking trees. And now I want my sky in there. So this is where I'll use the cooler colors. So that would be the softer colors like my blue. I like the way this is turning out, and I'm using color, but I'm not like coloring. So I'm gonna get inside that shape where that space is trapped in there. And this already, I'm pretty happy with how this is turning out, but I think I want to add in those other two cooler colors. So my purple, but maybe I don't need that much purple. Maybe I just do a little bit with thinner lines. Try not to go on top of my tree leaves. And then my green. So you guys might decide to use more purple and less blue. So we're using the same colors, but you get to use them different ways. All right. So I look forward to seeing what you guys send me. So work hard and don't forget to submit your assignment.